practice the 2-beat weave, and hopefully it's consistent. Make sure you can start with your right and your left hand. Now we're going to move on to a really popular pattern with poi called the 3-beat weave. It looks like this. We're still doing our forward circles. So you can start down by your sides with our vertical circle. This time, instead of just a 2-beat weave, it's 3. This means on each side of our body, there's 3 beats. So I'm going to count them this time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's why it's called the 3-beat weave, because we've got 3 beats on the left side and on the right side of the body. To learn this, go from our vertical circles in split time and try going into the 3-beat weave. So we're continuously crossing and uncrossing our arms. Uncrossing, crossing, uncrossing, crossing. Can be a tricky one, and you'll spend a lot of time hitting the poi on your legs. If you get frustrated, move on and have a go at a different pattern, and then maybe come back to it another day.